friends, my name is Madhav Rudra Ganesh. Today I am going to tell you class 9 maths number systems. We have learned these natural numbers, whole numbers in the 7th and 8th. Once we recall that, and this is important in this number system, and it is the introduction of this lesson. So natural numbers. The natural numbers that 1 to infinity will be their numbers. 1 to infinity between so many numbers like 10 lakhs, 1 crore, 15 crores. How many numbers? Infinity means so many numbers we can do. So that is infinity, and you should not forget this natural numbers. And whole numbers now. Whole numbers 0 to infinity. They are all the natural numbers and whole numbers have only one difference, this 0. The whole numbers will start from 0 and natural numbers will start from 1. So when you are doing whole numbers, you should start from the 0, and when you are doing the natural numbers, you should start from the 1. Now, integers. The integers are that the whole numbers and negative numbers are together is called integers. See here, negative numbers -3, -2, -1, and whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3. These are the whole integers. For example, this is also an integer, this is also an integer, and this is also an integer. The two numbers and the whole numbers are the integers. Now I am going to tell you the rational numbers and irrational numbers. Now I am going to tell you this rational numbers. These numbers are can express in form of p by q, means -2/5 is a rational number. Sorry. 7/2 is a rational number, and 5 is an irrational number, because if there is any number is not there down, we can keep 1. So these are all rational numbers. Now I will tell you the irrational numbers. The irrational numbers. The irrational numbers, these numbers are cannot expressed in the form of q is not equals to 0. It will be expressed in only q equals to 0. So for example, 2 equals to 0, 1 equals to 0, 0 equals to 0, like this. These all are irrational numbers. The irrational numbers is alternative to the rational numbers. It is equal to irrational 0. In rational numbers it is not equal. Okay, I think you have understood. Now I will tell you the real numbers. The real numbers. It all contains rational numbers and irrational numbers that can be expressed on a number line. Means it will express on a number line the irrational numbers and rational numbers. Like if there is a number line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Between these there will be a rational number like 2/5, and between this one more, and 5/7, like that. This is called real numbers. These real numbers and rational numbers and irrational numbers that can be expressed on a number line. It will expressed in the number line. Now I am going to tell you the prime numbers and composite numbers. Prime numbers. These numbers are greater than 1 only, and only factors are 1 itself. Means for example, 1 into 7 equals to 1 and 7. Because in one table this 7 is coming and only one factor is only coming. This 7 will not come in 2 table, 3 table, no, only one table only it will come, and 7 table. That's why this is a prime number. And 5 is also a prime number, and this 7 also a prime number. Now I will tell you the composite number. Now I am going to tell you the composite numbers. These numbers having factors more than 2 means if there is 12, the 12 number will come in table 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. See how many factors? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 factors this 12 will come. If we got till 4 only also, it is a composite number. Okay students, I will show you one more example. 8, 2 in 2 table, 4 table and in 8 table. See here, in 2 table it will come and 4 table, 8 table. See 3 factors we got and it is also a composite number. I think you have understood what is the composite number. So please subscribe my channel, like and share, and please if you see this video please keep comment that we should know you are doing nice or not, and if you give us support we will do much better than this video. Please share this video to your friends and like our videos. If you have any doubt please post in the comment box. Bye.